real 7 stand up.
Body surfing with that iron, yeah, I be splashing niggas. Drop that location, I'll go live so I can tag you, nigga. Ain't got your strap, then use a pack, cause I be bashing niggas. Best watch your back across some tracks, it's super savage, nigga. Body surfing with that iron, yeah, I be splashing niggas. Mind stay on demon time, yeah, I be active, nigga. Ain't got your strap, then use a pack, cause I be ashing niggas. It's tit for tat and splat for splat, don't do no lacking, nigga. My gun on fire, it be burning like a brimstone. I flatten a nigga like a tile when I spin on him. Heard he was talking through the wire, hit his chin bone. How bullets frying up his sternum and his shin bones. That heckler peck a nigga's spine and leave his limbs numb. Free T-Gutta, free Kaka, they should've been home. I feel naked in my attire without my gym zone. In my bed, new state of mind with my Tim's on. I keep that weapon on my side so I don't fear none. If he stepping out of line, I'ma drill some. I've been trapping overtime to get that income. When you committed to the grind, that's when them M's come. I'm sipping lean and ease my mind so I don't feel nothing. Bitch, I got demons deep inside, I'm trying to deal with them. I done snatched so many lives, I don't feel human. You see the reaper in my eyes when you peer through them. We set our differences aside, but I'ma still shoot them. So many people around me dying, I'm immune to it. I never switch up on my guys cause I'm doing music. Right or wrong, it's slide or die, that's how I'm still moving. Body surfing with that iron, yeah, I be splashing niggas. Drop that location, I'll go live so I can tag you, nigga. Ain't got your strap, then use a pack, cause I be ashing niggas. Best watch your back across some tracks, it's super savage, nigga. Body surfing with that iron, yeah, I be splashing niggas. Mind stay on demon time, yeah, I be active, nigga. Ain't got your strap, then use a pack, cause I be ashing niggas. It's tit for tat and splat for splat, don't do no lacking, nigga. Talking shit behind my back, got his head cracked. Once you said can't take it back, bitch, you wearing that. I leave you lay down on your back right where you stand at. This ain't rapping, this ain't cap, bitch, I'm staying on gang. I hit licks and drive-bys with the same strap. You tried to flex on IG Live and got your chain snatched. They took your pistol off your side, how you explain that? They killed your nigga in front your eyes, you still ain't swing back. You ain't trying to slide or die, you trying to sing raps. I leave rivals traumatized when them flames crack. A lot of niggas mamas crying, they want their baby back. I got that glizzy all the time, bitch, I'm afraid to laugh. They whispering about my homicide, they still ain't grazed me yet. 187 on my mind and ain't no changing that. You down and that's the bottom line and I ain't faking jacks. I'ma send your ass to God, always Satan that. And you can pray 1,000 times, that ain't gon' change the fact. Glow in the dark shit on the 9, I'm playing laser tag. I get the popping off that eye like frying bacon fat. I see a op and lay him down and make him take a nap. I get to drop you out of bounds, you ain't gon' make it back. I spin the block and hit rewind and then I fade to black. Body surfing with that iron, yeah, I be splashing niggas. Drop that location, I'll go live so I can tag you, nigga. Ain't got your strap, then use a pack, cause I be ashing niggas. Best watch your back across some tracks, it's super savage, nigga. Body surfing with that iron, yeah, I be splashing niggas. Mind stay on demon time, yeah, I be active, nigga. Ain't got your strap, then use a pack, cause I be ashing niggas. It's tit for tat and splat for splat, don't do no lacking, nigga.